Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm KZY. So today you see I made a big shopping here and it's about the gaming PC part. And now I'm very happy to make this announcement to become a game streamer on the very beginning at the 2022 because it's one of my dreams and I really want to be a game streamer, but I could not take action before. But now the year changed and I have to change also, and I need to deliver a lot of more fun contents to you. So please welcome this big brother Gemini PC. So here we go. So here finally I get my new gaming PC. You see it's beautiful in the rainbow part, but actually this gaming case is quite large, but inside just only using this part, so I have many spaces here. Maybe in the future I will buy more devices to make it more beautiful and also make it more powerful. If I play a Steam game that is not enough for the graphic and also the sound or anything, then please leave a comment, then I will try to answer your feedback. And also about the gaming PC specs, I think I will create another video to explain more details about each things I buy. So it's a little bit short, but that's all for today's video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and also put the thumb button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.